Design's relationship with technology is interesting because they're set up like they're polar opposites, and they're actually quite complementary.
Augmented reality is a great way to show a client what a space will look like. And I think as the technology for AR becomes much more accessible, we're going to see that really playing a big role in our industry.
AI is a great tool to inject a lot of insight. If I look outside of digital, I think 3D and AR and all those capabilities of video help our clients to say, like, let's go with this idea because I can actually see it. And that gets the fuel to create more work.
Mixed reality experiences, I think, are very exciting, and I think we're just at the very beginnings of understanding not only the technology that is used to create them, but also how our customers want or could interact with them.
As creators, it's just enriching our palette to create better experiences, I look at it. Be it voice, be it augmented reality, how do we take advantage of these technology and create something useful, either a current need or a unmet need? That's where the magic happens.